Hello everyone. This printer is Epson Expression Home XP2200. I want to show you how to print documents from mobile phone with this printer. First of all, you need to connect the printer to wireless network. Switch the printer on, then press and hold the Wi-Fi button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Then release the button. The Wi-Fi button is on, so the light is going up and down, looking for available Wi-Fi network. So go to Play Store and install Epson Smart Panel. Epson Smart Panel. Download the app on your phone, then open the app. So the app is searching for product. Searching for products. Please wait. Epson Smart Panel. Select Plus. Set up a new product or connect a product already on the Wi-Fi network. So this printer, we are setting it up for the first time. Select Set up a new product. Thank you for choosing Epson products. Select Continue. So the printer is found XP2200 series. Select on it. Are you sure you want to select XP220? Select yes. The product Wi-Fi connection settings are required to be able to use the product from the app. Select Proceed to Wi-Fi connection settings. Select Next. This guide will guide you through Wi-Fi connection setting so you can use your product from Epson Smart Panel. Proceed to the end without switching. Select Next. Select Next. Admin password, then open the printer. The password is written on the unit. So I'm going to put the details. Then select OK. Once you put the number, select OK. Then it picked up the wireless network within the environment. Checking the product SSID. Connect the product to your wireless network. Do you want to use the network shown below? Then select yes. Wi-Fi network password is required. Then select Next. The password is usually shown on the back or the side of the router. Do you confirm the password? Then select yes. Then select Next. It will show you for you to enter the network password. So I'm going to put the password. I have the password for the Wi-Fi network. Then once you put the Wi-Fi password, then select OK. Do you want to connect printer to Wi-Fi using the following? Then select yes. Wait until the product Wi-Fi setting is complete. So it will show you the percentage. So it's processing and progressing. 100%. The Wi-Fi setup is complete. The smartphone and product are connected. We show you this image of Wi-Fi network, printer, and the router. Then select next, making the setting, checking fireware version. So this is the printer and ink level. To print document, then select print. Then select document, close this. Then you wait. Then it will show you documents available. Select the document you want to print out. This is 2-page document. Then select print settings. Select the range. We want to print two-sided. So we're going to first of all print page 1. Select done. The paper as A4, media type, plain paper, layout, border, print quality, standard. Then select number of copies. Then select done. So we're going to print this page. Then select print. This is the document we printed out. To print the second page, reload the paper with the area printed out already first at the back. Then select print settings. Select page, range, and select page 2. Select done. Then select done. So we're going to print this page, then select print. This is the document we printed out, two-sided. If you want to print black and white, then go to print settings. Select want us to print only page 1. Select only page 1. Select done. Then also go to the color. Change it to black and white. Select done. Then you select print. This is the document we printed, black and white. This is how to print document from this printer using Epson Smart Panel. Thank you.